Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Hadi Education Wali. I'm student of Teacher Training Bootcamp 1 at Rahan College, Korangi campus. Today I'm going to sharing a summary of how to fix a broken school. Lead fearlessly, love hard by Linda Clyde Waman. Linda Clyde Bauman is an American educator, principal, and leadership expert. She became well known for transforming struggling schools in challenging communities through her leadership, dedication, and belief in students. She showed that every high expectation and genuine care. Summary of the TED Talk. Linda Bauman shares her experience as the principal of a school that faced many serious challenges, including poor academic performance and low attendance and a lack of student motivation. Instead of giving up, she chose to lead with courage and determination. Her message is simple but powerful. Great leadership requires both fearlessness and love. Linda explained that many struggle schools do not need more rules or punishment. They need leader who truly cares but student and believe in their potentials. She emphasized that students perform better when they feel valued, respected, and supported. One of the key ideas in the talk is the importance of high expectation. Linda refused to lower standard for her students. She believed that the average student was capable to success regardless of their background or circumstances. Another important lesson in the power of relationship, Linda spent time getting to know her students, understanding their challenges, and showing them that someone genuinely care about their future. She believes that strong relationship create trust, and trust create positive thinking, positive learning environment. She also encouraged educator to stop making excuses for poor performance and start thinking responsibilities for creating change. Effective leaders focus on solution rather the problems. Linda highlights that leadership is not about having authority, it's about inspiring people to do their best. Great leaders create a culture of hope and accountability and continuous improvement. Throughout the talk, he demonstrated that love and compassion are not weakness, instead, they are powerful tools that help students overcome obstacles and achieve success. What I learned from this talk, this taught me leadership is about caring deeply for others while maintaining are more likely to success when they feel supported, respected, and encouraged. As a student, I also learned that the future teacher and schools leaders should focus on building strong leadership with students and believing in their ability to success. Linda Clyde Berman's message is that the schools can be transformed through fearless leadership and genuine care. By believing in students, maintaining high expectation, and creating supportive environment. Educators can help every learner and creating supportive environment. Educator can help every learner reach their full potential. Her talk reminds us that when leaders act with courage and compassion, they can change lives and create lasting positive impact in education. Thank you for listening.